long time I try to make the cost copter. I like to play drone and fly RC plane. I try to make my own my drone. Couple time I has failed because of uh, my hardware is not symmetry enough. I found the 3D printer. Uh, the name is in the tree here, and then I try to make the 3D printer. I use the 3D printer print out the quadcopter frame. I try to make like the feature like predator. It look a little bit ugly, but I I love it. This is my design from 6 millimeter motor. I use, and for design can you can download here and print and use the cooler program to print it out. So I what I what I learned from this project, I has two different pop, popular and A and B. The different A and B is different angle of the popular uh, the prop, and for the RC controller, yeah, for in the same line, B in the same line, but the direction is when you hover up. This popper has an angle up and up. This will have to turn this direction. Then the proper the air will touch this pop angle, and then the have the force. This also angle up this way, you have to turn this way, to make your drone is move up. We call hover. This is a little bit knowledge that we have to understand. Okay, this is not this project is not I don't know completely, but I just start to learn and make it in the next project. I plan to make the flight controller using Arduino. Now I took the controller from the own drone, from and then I modify a little bit using the frame from the 3D printer. Okay, we'll see how it works.